Hi guys, Dr. Shaun here. Hope everyone's doing okay. As you can see, I'm in my sweats. It's my day off today. I'm just here at the office doing some admin. But today we're going to be talking about the top 10 ways to improve the patient experience and what I kind of do at the office to give those patients an experience where they keep coming back. The very first thing is basically to create a relaxing environment. They walk into the office, there should be some music playing, they should be greeted by someone by the front desk, maybe ask them if they want some water, and then have them take a seat where there could be books and magazines in the waiting room, just for them to kind of just feel comfortable and at home and not anxious. So the very first step is to create a relaxing environment. Another way to improve the experience is making sure your website is user-friendly. When people are going to be looking you up online, they're going to go straight to your website and see if they can maybe book an appointment or get any necessary information that they're trying to find out on your website before they actually call you. Another really important thing is to make sure that your website is compatible with their mobile device as well. Make sure it's user-friendly on the cell phone as well. It's very important. The third thing is to offer online scheduling and reminders. Now, for online scheduling and reminders, we use a program called RevenueWell. It reminds patients of their appointments a week in advance, 2 days in advance, and the day of. You can obviously change this how you want it to, so it's more convenient for you, but definitely have that possibility of online scheduling reminders. People love that. A fourth thing is to offer digital technology. So, come on guys, now everything's modern now, everything should be digital, no analog. You should be having intraoral scanners, intraoral cameras, digital x-rays for sure. And try to stay away from also impression material. Now you have scanners, you don't need impression material. Obviously have it in your office if you need to, just in case the scanner goes down or whatnot, but make sure you offer digital technology. Another way is to have a great office design. Patients want to come into an office that is pleasant to look at. They don't want to come in where there's things falling off or things just don't look cosmetically appropriate. When I grew up, I was actually scared of the dentist. I knew it had a specific smell, a specific look. So when I made my office, I made sure that the office was almost like a spa feeling. So when you walk in, there's no doors that goes back to the waiting rooms. Everything's kind of open. There's candles, so it doesn't smell like a dental office. I don't have any photos of teeth on the walls. So it's really important that the office design makes it comfortable for patients. Just because you're a dental office doesn't mean you have to smell or look like a dental office. The sixth thing is short wait times. This is a must. A patient in our waiting room probably waits less than a couple minutes. We always book and schedule patients in a way where all 4 rooms are going to be filled up. It's very rare that a patient has to wait out front. The seventh thing is to offer free Wi-Fi. I can't tell you how many times a patient asks, do you guys have Wi-Fi? Especially if they're waiting in the room for any reason. They want to be able to use Wi-Fi and just do whatever they need to do, whether it be work or talk to family or friends. So if a patient's waiting at all in the room, it's really important that they kind of stay stimulated if they don't have their phone. So we offer them Netflix, watching TV on the screen in front of them so they can just kind of like relax and wait for the doctor. The ninth thing is to help patients take better care of themselves. During their appointment, make sure you go over things that they can do at home to better their hygiene and make their appointments easier. They want to feel like you're caring, okay? Now the 10th thing is to make sure that you have a check-in plan with the patients after their appointments. This is my #1 thing. Patients want to know that you care about them. So after they leave the same day or the next day, ask them how their appointment went and if they had any questions. I personally go ahead and text new patients the next day, kind of ask to see if they had any questions or how their appointment went. Okay, so that's my #1. But overall, providing an excellent dental experience is extremely important to your practice. It gives your patients a reason to keep coming back, and that is what we're all about. We're all about retaining our patients. Well, there you go, guys. Those are my top 10 ways to improve the patient experience. If you have any questions, let us know. Bye.